Hey guys, Ryan here, the Blade. Happy New Year's. Hope everyone's having a good, safe time. I just upgraded, I just added lights to this thing. See what people think. It's friend's an electrician. I got him for actually out of an old A&W restaurants. The outer lighting, and then I cut the strips down, ran wiring, and then I hooked them up to a battery that I put on. That's hidden in the bag right here. It's pretty bright. Show you that. I got them hidden up underneath so you don't see it direct. I had this on my old bike, but this one actually kind of works better. See what people think. It'd be brighter on the ground if I didn't have the cooler thing on there, but hey, for free, I'm not going to complain. So, anyways, hopefully you get to that 6,000k review or kilometer review, and we'll go from there. And please subscribe, click the likes if you can, because it helps out, and see how much we can keep this channel going, and hopefully become something with it, or it becomes something. So, and try more bikes out. And yeah, thank you very much for watching these videos. Take care, everyone. Happy New Year's again.